Hi guys.
Hello.
Today we are breaking the hogs to our new hogs, our breeding hogs, to electric fence. Electric fence is a very effective way of keeping pigs in. But you have to go about it the right way to get them so they're broke to the electric fence, and we're going to walk you through step by step on how to do that today. What Walker's going to do here is he's going to go ahead and hook the electric into the hog fence here, and while he's doing that, I'm going to explain to you how to break them with this. You can see we have electro net on the outside, and we don't make it hot. Now we do staple it down so the pigs can't go underneath it. What we do is we run 2 wires on the inside of this electro net, and this here is just pretty much, I don't have my tape measure, darn it, poly braid is what we run. The first wire is about 12 inches, and then it's at about 20 inches.
If it helps, it's at 3 from the bottom and 5 from the bottom.
On
On those plastic posts.
Yeah, on O'Brien posts, it's the 3rd one up and the 5th one up, if that helps you out. Now we make our corners, we just use the 3/8 steel rods with a plastic insulator. And then basically we make a nice small little pen for them. They can come out here and do their thing. And they're going to come out here, they'll get shocked on this. This is pushing about 8,000 volts. It's very low amperage, so it is not lethal. It's just to create a psychological barrier. And then once we get these guys broke to this, we'll drop down to a single strand. And whenever we drop down to the single strand, we'll put it on the 4th one up. See Walker here, he's why don't you put that on the outside and then just run your jumper through the fence. That way this electro braid doesn't get electrified. See here, he's just wrapping that around the gate hook, and then he'll make it tight over there with the reel. And that will get us power, because we have power in the fence over there. And he's going to just bring the power over to here. And then whenever they are broke, we won't have any poly braid on the high tensile. You'll see that comes through here, hooks on. We're going to need a short one. I think I have a short one on there, bud. To make.
You have a short one?
I think I have a short one. It's clear on the inside. Yeah. You need one for the gate, for on the, yeah. Now before he makes that hot, actually we can do this. Just bring that over there like that. That will make that so it's not hot. I want to get the fence tester and make sure that we got electric. See if I can get in here without killing myself. Feet gets tangled up in this net, something terrible.
I think Paige can give you a few lessons on how to just completely avoid it.
She just jumped over the top.
Oh yeah. One heck of a time trying to get her to not jump through.
She just jumped right over the top of it.
Oh yeah, she's jumped over it before. She's just jumped over it with at least a foot of clearance.
Wow. It's only hitting about 5,000.
Probably hitting someplace down there someplace. Probably down by the sheep.
It could be, but it's still enough to...
Still enough for the pigs to feel it.
Yeah. Okay, you gonna let them out? Well, these pigs were in pasture, so they're used to being outside.
Morning!
We redid our hinges here yesterday, Third time we've replaced these hinges, so this time where we replace it with hinges, it won't go bad.
Yeah, those are a bit heavier duty.
They're heavier duty, and there's a lot of play in them. That way, the rust
won't seize up. Yeah,
the rust won't seize up, because the problem we had is they seized up
and just broke
off. Yeah, you want to go see if those guys want to come out? You got to give pigs a little bit of time sometimes. You got to make it their idea, or they're not going to do it. Those hogs that we took for processing here not too long ago, they went right on the trailer, but man, they didn't want to come off the trailer. Just give her a little push there.
Why do they have to be so slippery?
Just the way they are. Got one out. Let's try and just move her around and put her in that building. Text mom, tell her we got one out. Oh shit. That fence. Let's try and work it around into the round pen. Pigs just kind of go where they want.
5 minutes later.
We'll try and get it back up to where it got out.
Get shocked, backing up.
There's no electric in those two bottom wires.
Two hours later.
Dad, your camera's making noise.
Do you want him out the gate or not?
What were you thinking?
Oh!
Just stop for a minute.
Dad, do you want these?
Calm down for a minute.
Pig. How did he even get out?
You're bait. I'm telling you this now.
It got shocked and it just went.
Yeah.
We just kept right on going.
Take a step forward and stop till we can get within.
Or not.
2,000 years later.
Walker, I suggest don't play football.
What do you mean? They tap you and don't let go.
Exactly.
She's getting tired.
So am I.
I was hoping she'll get tired enough to lay down and we can grab her. You okay?
But I don't know.
Stop.
I can throw it right after.
You want me to take a flying leap and pin her?
Grab the tail and do it. Hey, buddy. What we got?
Yeah, we got bacon.
Oh, she's... Okay. That was an eventful morning.
Boy, I tell you what, that was a tough one. As you've seen, this is not a foolproof method to keeping them in. That 349, she was a little crazy whenever we got her. And if you remember the video here, jumping up on top of the feeder, that was her. Ryan and Deanne said that she was going to stay high stress like that. And I believe them now. I just thought it was just because of the travels, but she's a little bit high strung.
Just a little bit.
Right.
The 349's a crazy. Okay, it's
Right here. She's right here.
Yep. That was kind of like watching a grease pig contest, wasn't it? I won because I caught her by the tail.
You didn't realize I'm the one who pinned her there. If I wasn't there, you wouldn't have her.
I had her by the tail.
She would have gotten away though.
I had her. Maybe it's called teamwork?
Yeah, I know.
Yeah.
Maybe you should call the video "A Tale of a Pig."
Yeah, pigtail. I'm really surprised how much grass they're eating. Those other pigs never ate that much grass.
Yeah, they mostly. The one 349.
349's the one that got out. Yeah, I don't know about that. She's one of them ones. You notice how she didn't run from us? She went towards us.
Yeah.
She was one of those.
Hey guys, there was our very eventful pigs.
Pig rodeo.
Yeah, pig rodeo. Before I let you go, please like, subscribe, smash that notification bell, comment down below, and share with everyone you know. Alright guys, see you in the next one.
Bye.